Hey, everybody! Try to guess where I am today. How'd you know I was at Johnny Rockets? Oh, the big Johnny Rockets sign and the dancing waiters gave it away, huh? But I bet you have no idea which Johnny Rockets I'm at. I mean, there's got to be at least a dozen here on the Las Vegas Strip. What's that? You know it's the Luxor because of the title of the video, and the video already started? I can't get nothing past you guys. When did you all become so smart? And if you're so smart, what are you doing watching this channel? So yes indeed folks, we are definitely here at the Luxor, a 30-story hotel and casino situated at the southern end of the Las Vegas Strip. It's been a while since we visited the southern end of the Strip. As many of you know, the hotel is owned and operated by MGM Resorts International. It has a 120,000 square foot casino with over 2,000 slot machines and 87 table games. The casino opened in 1993 and was renovated to expand several times. Later renovation work modernized the design of the property and raised the hotel's capacity to 4,407 rooms, including 442 suites. The hotel rooms line the interior walls of the main tower, which has a pyramid shape obviously, and there's also a 22-story tower right next door. The hotel is named for the city of Luxor in Egypt.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And a shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Cabby in my latest New York City Vault video, the Staten Island Ferry video. Good job, Robert. So a little history on this building. The resort was announced by Circus Enterprises on November 14th, 1991. It was known temporarily as Project X. The pyramid-shaped resort would cost $290 million and would be built on the Las Vegas Strip on land located just south of the company's Excalibur Hotel and Casino. Standing 30 stories high, the pyramid was one of the largest metal and glass projects ever. The pyramid was topped off on July 9th, 1993, and the Luxor would compete with two other upcoming resorts, the MGM Grand and Treasure Island. All three resorts had a family-oriented focus. When it opened, the pyramid was the tallest building on the Strip, but that lasted only 11 days because shortly after, the Treasure Island took that title over. Most of the non-Caesar buffets are open now, and from what I understand, the Luxor buffet is, well, to put it politely, horrible. But when I'm here in a few weeks, I'm going to put that description to the test, spend a few bucks and check it out. I've already packed the Pepto-Bismol. Some of the restaurants here at Luxor include Tender Steakhouse and Lounge, the Public House, Diablo's Cantina, probably one of the more popular restaurants here at the Luxor. Then there's the Pyramid Cafe, the Backstage Deli, there's Blitz, which is kind of like a, I guess, ice cream malt shop. And then there's the Luxor Food Court, which is where we started here at Johnny Rockets. It's actually quite a nice food court here at the Luxor. By the way, that vanilla milkshake I had at the beginning of this video at Johnny Rockets was like $6 or $7, and you don't need to leave a tip, it's fast food. And to tell you the truth, there are milkshakes, over-the-top milkshakes here on the Las Vegas Strip that cost $20, $30. So if you're in the mood for a milkshake and you don't want anything over the top but you want a really good tasting one, Johnny Rockets. They don't pay me to say that, they just make me happy. And just a life lesson for you guys. I learned this lesson years and years ago, and I like to share all my life lessons with you guys. Never, ever, ever finish an evening off with a milkshake after you've been drinking. Now get ready to hold on tight as we head up to the mezzanine level here at the Pyramid. There's no shortage of entertainment here at the Luxor. They have currently America's Got Talent Las Vegas Live, where you can be an audience member of America's Got Talent. Carrot Top has been here for 18 years. I have never seen his show. I'm definitely going to catch it the next time I'm here in a couple of weeks. I really like Carrot Top. It's got a great sense of humor. The Fantasy Show is here. Blue Man Group is here. Let's see. Titanic, the Artifact Exhibition is here, as well as Bodies, the Exhibition. Speaking of Carrot Top, he recently cracked me up on a podcast that he was on when he was questioned about Adele, who had her meltdown and canceled all of her shows at Caesars just a day before they were about to start. I'm going to paraphrase Carrot Top here just to keep this New York channel family friendly, but Adele said she wasn't ready, and Carrot Top said, "Ready? Who the heck is ready? I haven't been ready in 36 years. We do this every night, not ready. There's no such thing as ready," he joked. I love Carrot Top. This is the Blue Man Group souvenir shop here at the Luxor. They, of course, have their show here for several years. A show, I believe they're owned by Cirque du Soleil. I could be wrong, but I believe it is a Cirque du Soleil show. From what I understand, Blue Man Group not doing too well anywhere, not just here in Las Vegas. So if they're on your bucket list, I suggest you see them as soon as possible. The food court here at Luxor is pretty good, and it includes, obviously, Johnny Rockets, as well as Banano's Pizzeria, LA Subs, Nathan's Famous Hot Dogs, and Original Chicken Tender. Not too many shops here at Luxor. However, connecting Luxor to the Mandalay Bay, which is right to the south of Luxor, is a small mall called the Shops at Mandalay Bay or something like that. And they have a couple of restaurants as well as quite a few shops and souvenir places to shop at. That again connects the Luxor to the Mandalay Bay if you're in the mood for shopping. And speaking of connections, there's a free tram that actually connects the Mandalay Bay to the Luxor to the Excalibur, which is the hotel and casino just north of the Luxor. So all these hotels down here on the southern end of the strip are all MGM properties. Mandalay Bay, Luxor, and Excalibur are all connected by a free tram that'll take you back and forth. One, two, three.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe. I fucked up. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. You can do it again. We'll do it again.
One time.
That's okay.
Okay.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe.
Okay.
One, two, three.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe. Woo!
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.